So table, it's where everything happens, in my memories. As a kid, I look forward to dinners at night around the table with my parents. We might only eat for 15 minutes, but we'd sit there for an hour and talk. Some of the greatest conversations we have are around the dinner table, and it's no different when you go to a restaurant. You take your family out or you take your friends out, and, those memories, they last forever. So my name's Jared Groebner. I'm one of the owners at Timeworn. We make wood restaurant tables and furniture for restaurants.
My name's Amanda. I'm the other owner. And to touch a little bit more on what he says, not only tabletops, we do bases, bench seating, anything that could be a solid surface our products can be used for.
How we started this company was basically out of desperation. 2008, the market absolutely tanked, and at that time, Amanda and I were building custom log and timber homes. By the end of 2008, our funnel was dried up, so I started knocking on doors of architects and looking for any kind of work, and came across an architect in Minneapolis who had asked if we could possibly make tables for the restaurant, one of the restaurant projects, and we did one restaurant, which turned into two, which turned into three, and so on and so forth. I don't look at the success, I look at the failures that we've had, because those are the ones that we learn everything from. So that tells me that, we're absolutely on the right path.
And I think our longevity comes from quality, consistency, building good relationships, and just really being there for our customers.
Well, I think our company is built on good relationships. Amanda's cell phone rings all day because of the relationships she has with our customers. The same thing goes for our other relationships, like our banking. We've always been close to our bankers, and honestly, first time I met John, who is our banker that we deal with, I knew it was the right fit. He could talk the talk, but more importantly, he was able to do things that most banks couldn't, and do it in a shorter time, and he's just been there. Like, the communication is absolutely flawless.
We had started and learned about Stearns for an equipment leasing program.
When we decided to purchase the CNC, which we decided that last December, and we were on vacation in Arizona, and the whole trip down, I was on the phone figuring out how to make this happen, and it gets used every week, usually 4 times a week, and it's helped us, in ways that I can't even, there's not enough time to explain how many things I can do now with that CNC.
What I really like too, the relationship with Stearns, is they were excited for us to get it, and they've actually been down here to see it operating because they're so invested in us doing well. They've been so great to work with as far as quick financing. They already have a lot of our equipment manufacturers in their vendor list, so it's a smooth process. So I'd say, yeah, absolutely. If we do need to expand, and we've always got ideas of where we're going next, absolutely, we're going to keep giving them a call.